Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your computer and improve performance using simple built-in tools in Microsoft Windows. These steps will help you free up storage, reduce background load, and make your PC run faster and smoother. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Disk Cleanup. Open it and select the drive you want to clean. In most cases, this will be your C drive, where Windows is installed. Now you'll see a list of files you can delete, such as temporary files, system cache recycle bin. Select the files you want to remove. Be careful with the recycle bin. Only delete it if you're sure nothing important is inside. You can often free up several gigabytes of space, which helps your system run faster. Click OK to clean up. Next, open Run. You can search for it or press Windows + R. Type temp and click OK. A folder will open with temporary files. These files are created by the system and apps and are safe to delete. Select all files and delete them. Open Run. This time, type %temp% and click OK. This is another folder with temporary files used by applications. This step alone can free up a large amount of storage, sometimes several gigabytes. Select all files and delete them. Some files may not delete because they are currently in use. That's completely normal. Just click Skip and delete the rest. Open Run again. Type prefetch and click OK. This folder stores data to help apps load faster, but over time it can become cluttered. Select all files and delete them. Windows will automatically recreate necessary files when needed. Now go to the search bar and open Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab. Here you will see programs that start automatically when your computer boots. Too many startup programs can slow down your PC. Review the list and disable programs that are not necessary. For example, messaging apps, browsers. Other background tools to disable, simply click on the program and then click Disable. This will improve your boot speed and overall performance. If you use Google Chrome, open the browser and go to Settings. Search for Memory Saver. Turn it on and set it to maximum. This feature reduces memory usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep, helping your system run faster. Now go to the search bar and type Performance. Click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. In the window, go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically manage paging file size. Now select a drive and set a custom paging file size. This helps manage your system memory more efficiently, especially if your RAM is limited. Click Apply and then OK. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. These are simple but powerful ways to optimize your computer without installing any extra software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.